What's up, guys? It's your boy Curtis, and I'm here with my brothers, Christopher, who you met from the video when we did up in the countryside, and also my brother Rudolph from the doubles video when we did the doubles, eating doubles in Trinidad. We are here on another adventure. Welcome to the channel once again. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being here. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share, okay? Your support is very much appreciated. So we're here and somewhere in Trinidad, somewhere in Grand Riviere, and I'm gonna let my brother tell exactly where we are.
Hi folks, morning. Hope all is well. We are at the Quanco Cottage in Grand Riviere. It's owned by one Ashton Gomez. It's a lovely rustic setting. If you want a countryside setting for vacationing, check Quanco Cottage. I think they are on the website. Yeah.
We're gonna leave the links. I'm gonna leave the links down at the bottom so you can check out, you know, to get in contact with them. So in the event that you want to, if you want, in the event that you want to come and, you know, you want to come and get a feel of nature in a basic natural way. This is not no 5-star resort. This is nature, back to nature, guys. This is back to nature. It's nice rustic look. You're gonna be around in a area that's full of trees, the natural trees, a lot of birds. You know, there's a lot of vegetables beyond the estate, and he has coconuts, he has bananas, he has cocoa. I'm gonna try to show you as much as I can. All right. So in case that you want to book a stay here, in case that you want to book a stay, then I'll leave the link down in the bottom so you can click on it. All right. So this is basically what it looks like here at the Quanco estate in
Quanco.
The Quanco estate.
And he has some bananas on the ground.
Right here. So immediately look at this, guys. Coconut right here. We got there's a whole bunch of coconuts right here that they would have picked already. I guess this is for ready for market. He's gonna be taking it to the market. All right. This is the coconut tree. One of the coconut trees. There's literally hundreds of coconut trees on this estate. All right. So.
On the ground.
And then over here, if we look over here. There's some bananas there right there. They pick some bananas. And they're gonna, you know, put them to ripen and stuff like that. I think this banana is Chiquito, and that look like Guamichel bananas. I'm not 100% sure, but those are basically the bananas.
These are what you call Chiquito.
Yeah, this is a Chiquito banana.
Chiquito, and this is Guamichel here.
Just as I suspected, right. Wonderful, guys. So let's go. We're gonna go on a tour. We're gonna take a tour of the whole estate, and I'm gonna try to capture as much as I can of, you know, what it's like, what's here, what you can look forward to seeing when you come to the estate here, and you know, to spend some time with nature. All right. Now it's a rainy day. It's a rainy morning actually. It's just about after 8 minutes to 9, and it's raining. So, guys, I'm doing this all for you. All right. So here now, this is a cocoa. This is the cocoa tree, and if you look up closely, you will see that is a cocoa plant. That is the cocoa pod. That is basically what you would get to your coffee. That what it means to make coffee.
Cocoa, chocolate.
Chocolate to make, not coffee. Sorry, I apologize, guys. You guys saw. I'm so excited. This is what you make cocoa with. Cocoa in United, nice hot chocolate. Yeah. This is what this is a plant right here. This is the cocoa tree. Now they're ready to be eaten. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have Christopher, he's gonna pick one. Let's see if he pick one right here, and then we're gonna open it up and see what's inside of it. Wow, look at the color, guys. Look at the color on that. A nice bright orange with a touch of red. It's really, really beautiful. Oh my gosh. So let's see. Wow, look at it. That is the cocoa pod. That is the cocoa pod. And this can be eaten, correct?
Yeah, these are the seeds.
Okay.
And what they do, they'll normally take them out and put them in a tray to sweat.
Uh-huh.
All right, and dry. But they can be eaten.
Wow, look at that. Let me have a taste. Let me try one of those. This is one of those. It has a nice, it's a nice sweet taste. how do you describe it? But it's just it's pretty nice. It's pretty good. So you suck the seed and there's and you take off all the good stuff until you get to the seed.
This is the bean that is fried.
This is the bean here. This is the bean that
is fried.
That they would dry after you suck it. They dry it and then you to make the and it what?
Milk.
And it's milled to make the cocoa, to get the cocoa. I'm gonna have another one because this is really something here right here. Look at that, guys. Cocoa, or some people say caco. All right. Only in Port of Spain, Trinidad. Port of Spain, Trinidad. Only in Trinidad, at the Grand Riviere, in Grand Riviere, at the
Quanco Estate.
At the Quanco Estate. All right.
Estate and cottage.
Estate and cottage, actually. Those are some big ones there, Crystal.
Yeah.
Wow, I smell look inside those cocoa. And there's some coconuts over here. So lots of cocoa on this estate. Oh, this is beautiful, guys. Yeah, so you guys, if you're interested to come and you want to book a stay here at the Quanco, at the Quanco Estate and Cottage, it's a great way to come and experience nature this fullest, It's a really excellent way.
Bananas inside there.
So, okay.
A bunch of bananas.
So over there, you can see some bananas that's on the trees right over there. Look at the surroundings. Look at the surroundings, guys. See the hills over there? We're up in the hills. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. And there's a bird flying in the sky. This is just incredible. A lot of birds and parrots. You have a lot of parrots. You have different species of birds. All that can be seen here when you come to the Quanco Estate and Cottage in Grand Riviere, Trinidad. Wow, guys. Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. So the Balize, the Shoconia, right?
Yes, it's from the Shoconia family.
Right. So this plant here, guys, is called the Balize, and it's considered to be.
Yes, man. Picking the cocoa. Okay.
There's a big one over here.
Okay. Ooh, that's a nice cocoa, man. Okay. Yeah, we come in.
Got it. Nice cocoa. Just break it and see.
Okay.
Open it up. Take a seat. It's nice. Try it out. Try it.
No. No.
You want to try it? The cocoa.
Trinidad is also noted for having one of the best cocoas in the world.
Yeah.
Richest cocoa for making chocolates.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. There it is, guys. The cocoa. Oh! Wow! Wow, guys, look at this! Look at this! Oh my gosh, this is unbelievable! This is a huge river that's running through the middle of the estate. Oh my gosh! Wow, guys! Look at this!
I heard you get a good recording of the turtles.
Yes, I did.
Okay, man, and thing, yeah.
Wow! This is amazing.
Yeah, I'm gonna take us to go to put some pictures, right?
This is amazing, guys. Look at this. Look at this. It's a river at the Quanco Estate and Cottage in Grand Riviere, Trinidad. Check it out. Check it out. Oh my gosh. Look at the water. This is so amazing. This is amazing. Guys, this is beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff brought to you by your boy Curtis from The World Is My Home. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel. What you waiting on? Subscribe to the channel. Give the video a like. Click the notification button so you're notified when I drop another video. And share it, alright? Come on, guys, look at it. This is amazing content I'm bringing you. Check it out. Wow, nature has its best at the Quanco Estate and Cottage in Granville. Oh, there's Rudy. Enjoying the water. How's the water, man?
Really nice, boy.
Jeez, I'm gonna come in
Soothing.
there. Yeah. Wow, this is amazing.
Really soothing.
I'm gonna go in there. What's up, guys? I'm here at the Panko. Quanqua. I keep saying Panko. Is that, what is it?
It's just Quanqua's Cottage.
Quanqua's Cottage. And who do I have the pleasure of speaking to? This is
This is Mr. Gomez.
Mr. Gomez, and Mr. Gomez is the owner of the estate.
Yeah, the owner of.
Go take a dip now in the Grand Riviere. This is the Grand Riviere River. Yeah. All right. Oh, it's going white. Life in Trinity, guys. This is how it is with life in Trinity. At the Quanco Estate and Cottage in Grand Riviere. Woo! Wow, this is so good. Now it's not very deep, so I'm just gonna take a lie down. Woo! It's it's cold, but it's nice. The rain is falling. Woo! Yeah. Once you get in, you're good. But yeah, this is beautiful. Life in the Grand Riviere River. I tried to catch my breath. Oh man. Yeah. Nice.
I'm so happy you all saw the turtle.
Woo! River Lime, River Life. Taking a bath in the river. Yes, folks. This is what it is. This is what it is. The River Lime, river. A bath in the river, the Grand Riviere River in Trinidad. Water is so refreshing. I'm telling you, it's a refreshing feeling that you get from the water. Oh my gosh. You see the river comes from all the way up there and goes all the way back to the ocean where we were. That river mouth, this is the same river that goes all the way back down there. So it's pretty long. But it's a beautiful place to be. Beautiful, beautiful place. Nice and scenic, tranquil. You can hear the birds. You hear the birds and chirping in the back. You hear the frogs. It's just beautiful. You're just one with nature right now. Just one with nature here at the Crankai Estates and Cottage in Grand Riviere, Trinidad. Woo! Oh, whoa, whoa! Get your life back. Love, live life. Your boy Curtis. Bringing it all to you. Chris, what we got here?
All right, what we got here is the fruit that is called the bread nut. Local Palangs, they call it the shatine.
Oh, okay.
Right now, what we're doing is that I'm washing out the seeds. The seeds are what we boil and eat. Just boil in salt water.
Oh, you boiled it in salt water?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you shell it and you have a nice delicacy.
Okay, so people use it, is it as a meal or is it a snack? What do you...
it is a meal because in its younger state, it can be used to do what we call locally a tal curry.
Now, what's a tal curry?
Tal curry.
That's the green one.
That's the green shatine. Or in its young state, that is curried.
Okay.
And prepared with spices. And it can be eaten with bread, it can be eaten with rice, roti,
okay,
you name it. But in its dry state like this, it's well, at least it's in its ripe state. This is the ripe state of the fruit.
So you just have to boil it?
You boil it in a brine salt water.
Yeah.
And you
eat it as a snack.
And you eat it as a snack.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
As a snack.
So guys, here you have it.
These are the seeds here.
Right.
Of course, this is the tree.
Okay. What if you can see any shot on any on the tree? Unfortunately, there may not be any on the tree. But right here, we fortunately this is a ripe fallen fruit.
Right.
So this is what it would look like, based on have an idea what it looks like. So I guess the animals and stuff like that would eat this, like maybe they're good to you or something like that?
Yeah, the animals will eat it.
Oh, okay.
So what we do is that we try to get it before the animals do.
Right.
Come. If you look at this here, you will realize that the animals.
Oh, this is where you munch on it.
Started to get it.
So the animals beat you to it.
Well. They eat more the heart of the fruit.
Oh, so not the actual shot.
Right, so the seeds, yeah. So we collect the seeds, clean them, boil them, and enjoy them.
Yeah.
And what a better place to clean it?
At the riverside.
At the riverbank.
The riverbank.
Flowing water.
The Grand Riviere River.
Yeah, so the process is that you...
Alright.
Yeah, there is a membrane around it. And you just clean it off. And there you go.
Yep, guys, so there you have it. Life in Trinidad. Life in the countryside. Life at the Crankai Estates and Cottage Lodge. There might be a mosquito on my lens. But just another thing, make sure when you come in you walk with your repellent, okay? There are some mosquitoes. But it's a beautiful, beautiful place, guys. It's a beautiful place. I'm gonna put a you got the number for earlier from the owner, and I'm gonna put a link down, link in the comments where you can you drop, you can check it out and to book your stay. All right, guys.